This is Group 5 from IG1B. In this video, we'll be doing the Math and Physics project talking about speed. This group consists me, Jihan, Ataya, and Yesong. So, tell me Ataya, what are we going to do?
Today, we are going to do an experiment about speed.
What about you, Yesong? What are we going to do?
Going to make graph.
Yes, so in this video, we will do an experiment about speed and also make graph. Later on to the video, I will explain much detailed. So, what is speed? Well, speed is the rate at which an object's position changes. We can actually calculate it. The formula that we used is simple. Speed equals distance out of time. Now let's talk about graph. Specifically, distance time graph. It's related with the formula. So, in a distance time graph, we can actually see how the object reacts. It's called types of slopes or gradients. For example, when the line is straight, it means the object is not moving. But if the line is steep, it means it's going to a greater speed. Since now we know what speed and what distance time graph is, let's get right into the experiment. For the experiment, we picked the basketball court. And in here, Yesong will be doing 5 activities. As for Ataya, will be responsible with the stopwatch. As for me, I would just record everything. So, to make it clear, this is the starting point and this is the final point. Yesong is probably going back and forth, and we're later going to collect that data and make it to a graph and calculate the speed. So, stay tuned! It's time! Now, before you guys already see Yesong running and also Ataya cheering him, let's now actually calculate the speed first. Before calculating the speed though, I'll show you guys what the table looks like. By making a table, it's much more easier to see which is time and which is distance and each of the activities. So let's do the running one first. We know that the time is 8.99 seconds and the distance is 20 meters. Now, from the formula before, we know that speed equals distance out of time. That means if you use this formula, running is 20 meters out of 8.99 seconds. And if you calculate it, it's 2.2 meters per second. Now, by using that formula for the walk and sprint, for the walk, it equals to 2 meters per second. As for a sprint, 5.3 meters per second. Alright, so we're now done calculating speed. It's time to do graph. As you can see, the sprint is the most fastest, while the walk is the slowest. We can see that from the time, since walking have the most longest time, while the sprint has the most fastest one. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video until the end. Hopefully this video is entertaining for you guys to have some haha hee hees. Bye!